Hi, this is Silent Solution. Today I discuss the Windows alternative for Linux for imported application software for Linux, for Windows, Microsoft Office, for Linux, LibreOffice, and ONLYOFFICE desktop for Linux. Note Windows mode, Linux for redhat, and mail application Microsoft Outlook for Windows, Thunderbird for Linux, Adobe Photoshop for Linux, for Ubuntu, GIMP. Let's go. Well, first of all, say what for Windows. For Linux, LibreOffice. Here is LibreOffice application. Is only on the desktop. Here is multi building Office application. Here is Office and Office XP document and PowerPoint and building. How to installation this software? Already I have my channel. Please see, I have put in description. Please see this video. How to installation the on this stuff. Please let's go. Mail server is it Thunderbird mail server, mail application for Ubuntu for Windows Thunderbird. For Windows Outlook software is here is Notepad for Windows. For Linux is text look like. Here is text search and you can see this. Photoshop for Linux, GIMP. How to installation? This I have my channel. How to installation GIMP editor. See this video. This Adobe for Windows. Thanks for watching. Keep more and ask this. As our friend and illustrator for Windows. Here is where today just full software, alternative software for a very important and necessary. Please keep us and unsubscribe my channel.